Rich, happy, and successful greetings, my friends. This is Kaustubh Dixit, and I welcome you to Success Kitchen with KD, where we share with you the recipe to become successful. I have with me Ashish Bhave, sir, business success coach. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fantastic, Kaustubh. How are
That's
you?
great.
Welcome, my all friends. Wish you rich, happy, and successful greetings.
Yep. So, yesterday Nitin asked me, actually, Nitin said that he's facing a problem that his team is not performing. Like they are not delivering as per expectations. So, could you share your thoughts on this?
Okay, so this is very vague question, I would say that
Okay.
that may not go to any specification,
Right.
but I can guess something, and from that, let's assume something that
Okay.
if Nitin is saying that the team is not performing as per expectation, the first
Mhm.
question comes: had you defined the expectations?
Okay.
What exactly you want from your employees, from your team? Many of the times, what I experienced when I interacted with many entrepreneurs, see, entrepreneur is an whole and soul to the organization.
Okay.
He or she is building the organization and they have a lot of ideas.
Mhm.
So first, my request to every entrepreneur, every businessman, not to expect all that what you could do from your employees.
That's nice.
You should never expect, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
If the person means, I always say with this, you actually as a joke, and but in that there is a reality. If your employee could do all that, what you could do, why he would remain or she would remain your employee? Yeah, they will
Yeah.
start their own business.
Right.
Never ever expect what you could deliver, what you can think, what ideas you can come out with, how you implement, how you work hard, how you work smart, how you work for late hours and all that. Don't expect this from employees.
Mhm.
Okay, it is about delegation. So when you as an entrepreneur, you work, you build yourself, you reach to one level, then you need your team for what? To delegate your work.
Mhm.
So you have to define which work you are going to do, which work should be delegated. And that for delegation of that specific work, you have to identify, you have to take person who is good for that specific work.
Mhm.
You as an entrepreneur, you as a businessman, you are working on different areas. You are HR, you are self training and development, you are in operations, you are in finance, you are in accounts. So there are many things which you are doing. You are in sales, you are in marketing, you are doing all the things, but you can't expect your people to deliver the same.
Mhm.
So you have to appoint different people for different requirement, and then you have to guide them. So you are a leader. So you are going to lead them, but to lead them, you have to have all specification ready for it. If you are appointing a receptionist, you have to have roles and responsibilities clearly defined for that role.
Mhm.
Many of the times I had seen with small businesses, they don't have anything defined. There is no SOPs.
Okay. Yeah.
There is no roles, there is no responsibility. It is just you work as a receptionist. Sometimes you work as a receptionist, sometimes you are in account, sometimes you are in what you call as a stores, then auditing things and all that. It is not going to work.
Mhm.
Then you will be always messed up, and that is happening with entrepreneurs also. They themselves are messed up.
Mhm.
I had seen few people who start with something, and because of that emergence of lot of ideas every day, the work always remain incomplete. Huh? Because it is always work on progress, work on progress, work on progress. That is not going to help at all. So if you really want your team to perform, first create documents of SOPs.
Mhm.
create documents of roles and responsibilities and train that person, that specific person for that specific part of your work only. So to delegate the work, what you do, you may require 4 or 5 people.
Mhm.
And gradually you have to define which work to be delegated, which work you are going to handle. And apart from that, apart from the delegation, one more thing what you require, that you have to continue working in your organization. It should not happen. Now I delegated, now everybody will do, and I will just sit and relax.
Mhm.
It is not going to happen. Then your business may not grow. And gradually your team will start feeling like we are running organization. This person is not doing anything.
Mm.
So you have to strike right kind of balance. It should not be that you are not at all involved. It should not be that you are working long hours and you are expecting from your team to do the same. So employees are employees and you require employees.
Mm.
So delegate some specific work, tell them roles, responsibilities, expectations. Be clear with them. And continuously facilitate them for their work.
Mm.
So your role as a leader is the facilitation for the entire team. And if you have all these things in place, I know that a lot of work is to be done in that also. However, this is an idea. If you work on this, then performance of your team will immediately go up.
Mm.
Right? So this is something what is required. SOPs, roles, responsibilities, clarity of expectation,
Mhm.
and clarity of work. Employees always love to work in a box.
Mm.
Entrepreneur always loves working out of the box. Okay, so you have to strike right kind of balance and let them work in box. They are happy, continue with them. Okay, so that you can deliver better.
Mm.
And keep on working out and inside the box. Okay, so that is for entrepreneur, that is for businessman. And I think this will surely help Nitin to understand a lot of small businesses to really understand and work on that.
That's certainly sure. Like even with assuming some things, you are able to bang on hit the target. That's great.
Thank you.
So yeah, and as always, interested people who want to know more such things about business from Ashish sir and want to enroll with the programs like 30D Success Challenge, the links are in the description as usual. So thank you, Ashish sir, for joining and giving us clarity about team performance. Thank
Yeah,
you
I
very much.
suggest everyone to download my book also,
Mhm.
Business Breakthrough in 45 Minutes. The link is given.
Yeah.
It's a free e-download. Okay, so
Yeah.
go and download the book.
Yeah, please
Share with
download the book. It's amazing, and you will surely get some good insights within 45 minutes, I'd say. And if you have any questions related to business, post it on the comments below, and we'll surely get back with you. And please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And we'll connect again in our next episode with Business Kitchen with KD. Till later.
With Kelly, yes. Wish you all friends, thanks for watching this video and wish you rich, happy, and successful leaders. Bye.
Yeah.